20 pesos lang ang mga to? Paano yan? Nanubabo Kabalin, welcome to Bayan, Pampanga. Today, ipapakita namin sa inyo ang murang bilihan ng gamit sa bahay na perfect for budget-conscious families. And yes, 20 pesos lang talaga karamihan ng mga items dito. Nandito kami sa Lahat Bente Angeles, located at 5040 Kalayaan Street, Bagong Bayan Subdivision, Barangay Cutcut, Angeles City. Murang bilihan ng gamit sa bahay, starting at 20 pesos only. Pero totoo ba o marketing lang? Pagpasok namin, organized yung store, naka-display ng maayos, supermarket style vibes pero small to medium size neighborhood shop lang ang space. Chill lang ang atmosphere, walang stressful na pila. Now, let's talk about the 20 pesos items. Ito yung mga makikita nyo dito. Floor mats, toothpaste, glass cups, ceramic bowls and cups, toothpicks, sewing kits, tabo, keychains, ball pens and markers, different kinds of toys, plastic containers, plastic plates, sponge, at marami pang iba. Literally, 20 pesos lang. Now, our kids, nag-enjoy silang mag-shopping kasi aside from the obvious price reason, sobrang dami nilang choices. They got mystery boxes, Legos, pens, markers, keychains, budgeted pa rin pero nakakuha sila ng gusto nila. Si Joyce naman, nag-focus sa gamit sa bahay, practical finds, quality naman for their prices, mukhang matibay. One-time shopping lang pero sulit. Aside from these 20 pesos items, may added items din sila na not exactly 20 pesos pero still affordable compared to other stores like cooking wares, electric fans, lunch boxes, stoves, steelwares, floor carpets, plastic cabinets and drawers, and a lot more. What makes Lahat Bente stand out? Maraming items na talaga namang 20 pesos lang. Perfect for budget-conscious families, students, new homeowners, and even resellers. Instant business yan. Open sila from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily. Walang excuse para hindi mag-stock up. Lahat Bente Angeles, Cutcut, Angeles City. Type 20 lang sa comments, tag your tipid buddy, and save this para sa next household shopping ninyo. Tara, bili na!